Hi, today we're in the beautiful outdoors of the High Uintas here in Utah, and we're going to cook up a delicious Dutch oven chorizo sausage breakfast bake. But what we're going to do first is we'll cook the sausage. So I have my cast iron skillet. We're just going to do it on the camp stove here. And we'll get this sausage cooked. And once the sausage is cooked, I'll pull it off, and then we're going to cook a bunch of veggies. And then once everything's cooked, it'll all go in the Dutch oven, and we'll bake it at that point. So this is going to be good. Oh, Christmas. It works though, huh? Okay, so we'll get this sausage cooked up, and then we'll go to the next step. So we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready. The sausage is done, so I'm going to pull it out and let it drain on this paper towel. Yeah, it smells good. Get all that out of here. So this dish, it rests for a while once we get everything built, so it'll get all the delicious flavors. But yeah, here we have some onion, some purple onion, some red bell peppers, and some jalapeno peppers. So we'll cook these veggies.
Oh, we need the asparagus.
Oh, we forgot the asparagus out here, huh?
Yeah.
So let's, we'll go get the asparagus. We're going to add the asparagus. Once the veggies are all cooked, we'll put the meat back in here and stir it all together. So we'll go get the asparagus, and we'll see you back. Okay, the veggies are done. They cooked up great. So I'm just going to add this sausage back in and kind of give it a stir. And then I'm going to pull this off the heat because we're going to start building it in the Dutch oven. So I'll stir this up good, pull it off the heat, and then we'll get my Dutch oven ready, and we'll see you back. Okay, let's build this breakfast bake. So this is about a half a loaf of French bread. We just cut it into 1-inch cubes. Put that in there. Then I melted about 2 tablespoons of butter. Pour that in. Give it a little stir. Like that. I'm using a liner in this because in these dishes, what I've found, that rest for a while or they're in the fridge for a while, you get an iron taste from the Dutch oven. So I'm just going to use a liner so we don't get that iron taste. But the meals that you put in the fridge, and sometimes we do one that sits overnight, you can actually do this one all and let it sit in the fridge all night also. But I just like to use a liner on ones. So now we're just going to add the mixture to the top. Yeah, this is fun. The weather's perfect. Now, we have a cabin here in the High Uintas, but we decided to sleep outside, so show them where we slept, Jenny. See, there's our cute little tent. In the middle of the night, Jenny's like, Al, I can hear a deer out there munching on grass. It was still black. So I opened the window, and there, sure enough, there was a doe right on that hill, just right at the crest of that hill. And you could see its silhouette, but it was pretty cool. So now we have this. Now I have 6 eggs in here, a cup of heavy whipping cream, and a half a cup of just regular whole milk. So I'll just kind of pour this over. And so we're going to put this in the fridge and let it sit in the fridge for a half an hour, and then we'll pull it out and let it sit just on the counter for a half an hour. But that'll give it time for this bread to just soak up all this good stuff. So there's that. And then we have Mexican style blend cheese. You can just kind of put however much you want on there. I'm just going to lightly put it. Yeah, this looks good. But yeah, so we'll let this rest in the fridge for 30, like I said, and then on the counter. and then I'll get some briquettes going and we'll start baking it. So yeah, good times in the outdoors. We'll see you back. Okay, let's start this bake. So we're going to cook this at 350 degrees. So the 10-inch Dutch oven, we want 8 on the bottom. So there's 8 right there. Just going to set this on top. And then 12 on the top. 5, 6. That one fell. That looks good. I got a few extra here. I think this will take about 40 minutes to cook, so we're going to check it in 30 minutes. So we'll just let it do its thing for 30 minutes, and we'll see you back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see how this breakfast bake's doing. Oh my heck! Look at that. That is looking good. It looks like it's pretty well done, huh? Jenny, what do you think?
Yeah.
There's no runny eggs coming.
Yeah, it's done.
So I think what we're going to do is I'm just going to put the lid back on. We'll go get our plates, and we'll be right back to serve it up. So we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready. So I actually upped the temperature. Once I started cooking it, I decided we wanted to cook it at 375, so I put 2 more on the top. So it was 8 on the bottom and 14 on top. But look how good that cooked up. Look at this. Oh my heck. Look at that bread. That is, smells so good. Look at that. Okay. Let me set that spoon right there. Let's try this out. Yummy. The flavor is so good. Try some of this sausage. Oh my heck. Delicious. All these veggies. So there you go. Yummy Dutch oven. How do you say the sausage?
Chorizo?
Name? Chorizo sausage breakfast bake. And we're not even sure if that's the right way you say it, but that's hot. And delicious. So I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.